Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we have a special treat for all of you car enthusiasts out there. We're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307. This car has been creating quite a buzz, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about its interior, exterior, performance, and price. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 takes a bold step forward with its design, staying true to the classic muscle car roots while incorporating modern elements. The front end is dominated by a bold grille with chrome accents, giving it a muscular and aggressive look. The hood features sharp sculpted lines that flow seamlessly toward the windshield, enhancing its aerodynamic appeal. The iconic Chevrolet bow tie logo sits proudly in the center, and the headlights are sleek, LED-powered units that add a futuristic touch. The body lines on this Chevelle are clean, but there's no mistaking its strong, performance-focused stance. The car sits low to the ground, with a wide track that gives it a planted look on the road. The wide tires and aggressive wheel arches further emphasize the car's performance-oriented design. The 2025 model comes in a range of vibrant colors, including classic hues like red and blue, but also some newer shades that help the car stand out even more. There's also a choice of different wheel designs, including larger 20-inch wheels that give it a more intimidating appearance. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 is a perfect blend of classic muscle car style and modern luxury. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with leather-trimmed seats that offer both comfort and support. The front seats are bolstered, designed to keep you firmly in place during those spirited drives. The dashboard is sleek and minimalistic, with a large, intuitive touchscreen at the center. It's surrounded by physical buttons for essential controls, providing the perfect balance between modern technology and traditional controls. The interior also features premium materials with soft-touch surfaces throughout. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features intuitive controls for things like audio and cruise control. Behind the wheel, there's a fully digital instrument cluster that displays everything you need to know in a clear, easy-to-read format. There's ample legroom both in the front and rear, ensuring passengers are comfortable on longer drives. The rear seats are spacious enough for 2 adults, and the trunk space is generous, offering plenty of room for luggage or gear. As for performance, this is where the Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 truly shines. Under the hood, the 2025 model comes equipped with a powerful 307 cubic inch V8 engine that offers an impressive amount of horsepower and torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, offering a truly engaging driving experience, though an automatic transmission option is available for those who prefer a more relaxed drive. The engine's performance is immediate and thrilling, delivering a smooth yet aggressive acceleration. The car handles like a dream, thanks to the refined suspension system that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and performance. The Heavy Chevy 307 features a rear-wheel drive setup, which combined with its wide stance ensures excellent grip and stability on both straightaways and tight corners. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the car to its limits on a twisty road, this Chevelle will put a smile on your face every time. The braking system is also impressive, with large disc brakes providing confident stopping power even at high speeds. And when it comes to technology, the 2025 Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 is loaded with modern features. The infotainment system is one of the highlights, featuring a large, user-friendly touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. There's also a premium sound system that provides crisp, clear audio for your drives. For safety, the car comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. All of these features help enhance the driving experience while keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 is positioned as a premium muscle car, and it comes with a price tag to match. The base model starts at around $45,000, which is competitive for a vehicle of this performance and caliber. However, if you opt for additional features like upgraded wheels, interior packages, or performance enhancements, the price can climb closer to $50,000 or more. While that may seem like a significant investment, you're getting a car that offers a perfect mix of power, luxury, and style. The Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 stands out in a crowded market. And for those who appreciate a classic muscle car that delivers modern performance, it's worth every penny. To wrap up, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 is an impressive machine that blends the best of both worlds. It offers a striking exterior design that pays homage to its muscle car roots while embracing modern aesthetics. Inside, it's a comfortable and tech-laden space that doesn't sacrifice style. On the road, it delivers exhilarating performance, whether you're cruising or pushing the limits. And with a price that's reasonable for the performance you're getting, the 2025 Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307 is certainly a car worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest cars. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Chevelle Heavy Chevy 307. Would you buy one? What other cars would you like to see us review? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.